So Hunter, where are we going today?
Hilton Head Island, and we're gonna stay there for spring break.
What else is going on that week?
My birthday.
Yeah.
Fun.
What are you excited to do?
I'm excited to bike and play basketball.
Nice.
We're going to Hilton Head. Woo!
You excited?
Yes.
What are you excited to do?
Sleep.
What else? Play games?
Yes.
Ride bikes?
Yes.
Dropped off Peachy Girl. She was a little apprehensive. Kind of had to get dragged down the hallway, but
Aww.
she's fine. She'll be fine. Headed to Hilton Head for spring break.
What are you most excited to do?
I don't know. I'm most excited to not have a plan.
Nice. That's new. What is your concoction, Sawyer?
Root beer, the normal kind, and root beer vanilla.
Nice.
Where are we?
CD underbelly.
Of what?
Georgia. Great Movie Red joke. R.I.P. Great Movie Red.
Welcome home. How can I assist you?
Yes, we're checking in.
First floor, the Live Oak Lodge, and come on in.
Thank you. Hilton Head.
We have rock candy,
Popcorn.
Ooh.
fruity rice.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Every vacation club.
Whoa.
Wow.
Sour gummy worms.
That's yours.
They're for me.
Can you share those with me?
Where are we off to?
I don't know what it's called. There's a restaurant.
Poseidon.
Poseidon's first margarita.
First of many.
Good.
Oh, great. This is going to go in my next birthday video.
Peach blonde ale. Delicious.
Devin Stein. Are those less texture of snot? Or are they good? Do I eat the whole cracker?
Whole thing.
Cracker.
It's alright?
I'm glad my nose is stuck.
Yeah, right?
Get it over.
Steamed oysters, low country.